Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Okay, here we have another topic, that is common multiples. So, definition of common multiple is the multiples that are common to two or more numbers are called the common multiples of those numbers. Okay, the multiples that are common to two or more numbers are called the common multiples of those numbers. To understand this definition thoroughly, we will go through an example. So, example, write common multiples of 3 and 4. So, firstly we will write multiples of 3 and then multiples of 4. Multiples of 3. Here multiples of 3, how we can write? Like 3 multiply 1 is equal to 3, 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. That means your multiple is this and this. Right? 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Now again like a table. 27, 30. You can write more also. Now multiples of 4. Again like a table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Now like a table same as 32, 36, 40. You can write more also. Now let's have a look on definition again. Here definition is the multiple that are common. Common means same to two or more numbers. The multiple that are common. Now choose common multiples from these numbers. Okay, common multiple means same numbers. 12 and 24. These two are same. Here is written the multiple that are common to 2. That are common means the multiple that are common to 2. These two or more numbers. More numbers mean, for example, we can add here 6. For this we have to write multiple of 6 here. Then we have to choose the common numbers in 3, 4 and 6. Common multiples. So here 12 and 24 are multiples of both 3 and 4. So they are common multiples. 12 and 24 are common multiples of 3 and 4. You can find other common multiples of 3 and 4 such as 36 and 48 by extending multiples of 3 and by extending multiples of 4.